What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Today we're going to be working on a really killer design for the folks over at Misfit Toys. It's a really cool 5-color design that we're going to be doing on some t-shirts. This company actually ordered 2 different designs on 2 separate orders of t-shirts. So without further ado, man, we're going to start on the first order right now. Let's do it. Stay tuned. Check it out. So there you have it. There it is. 4 colors, black t-shirt, Misfit Toys. Really cool design. Threw some ruby red in there with some metallic gold, a little bit of metallic flake in there. Anyway, if you like the video, man, hit the subscribe button. Show me some love. It really helps to grow the channel. Hit that notification bell to let you know when my new content comes out. Until next time, y'all be good. See you.